Introducing our muffins. The ingredients are 250 grams cake flour, 3 tablespoons baking powder, 100 grams sugar, 150 grams butter, 2 beaten eggs, 100 ml milk, a dash of vanilla extract. Mix the cake flour with baking powder. Whip the butter with blender. Add sugar and continue to blend well. Add the beaten egg and blend until creamy. Add the vanilla extract. Sift the flour with baking powder into the batter. Stir briefly with a spatula. Add in the milk and mix well. Pour the batter into a muffin tin and place it on the metal tray. Remove the ceramic tray. Insert the metal tray into the middle rack. Press oven 1 level, 180 degrees Celsius. 30 to 40 minutes. Preheat no to bake.